Yeah, we're going to have the rain issue again coming in, and with all the rain that we've had, there are going to be some additional flooding problems. And then we'll be talking about wind and potential storm surge later tonight and into tomorrow. We're also going to be dealing with some wind too, Julie. So this is not the kind of thing where it's just one big hit with a lot of rain and wind, and then you think it's over. Because I know a lot of folks are waking up this morning seeing fairly tranquil conditions, thinking, all right, so where's the storm? It's sort of like a long duration, piece-by-piece kind of event that we're dealing with.
Yeah, and yesterday, of course, the rain and the flooding was the main concern. Today, it's going to be additional rain, but also the wind, as Josh mentioned. This is the 24-hour rainfall, which ended 6 o'clock this morning. And look at how impressive in Reddington Shores. Over a foot of rain, Largo almost a foot, Seminole over 7 inches of rain. Bradenton had over 7 inches of rain. Not only did you have a record amount of rainfall for the date yesterday, but you picked up half of the entire month of August rain. So you ended up the month of August about 14 inches of rain. Half of that fell just yesterday. Look at Ellington, St. Pete, Tampa, Lakeland, Holiday. Everybody had impressive rains yesterday. Today, we do not have a lot of rain yet. Clystron 9 is showing most of the rain is out over the Gulf, and it's actually moving to the north. So a couple little spotty showers are near the coast and in the eastern Gulf. And some additional showers and storms will develop and move toward the north today. But the good news is it's just not that widespread heavy rain event like we had yesterday. So the center is about right here, 235 miles away from Tampa. And the 8 o'clock advisory shows Hermine's winds have increased to 65 miles per hour. The strongest winds, though, are on the east side of the system. The winds are not that strong on the other side of the center of Hermine. It is going to be moving northeast, and it is still expected to make its way to the Florida Big Bend tonight. But as we take a look at this graphic, look at all the high winds. Again, everything is kind of in the eastern side of the Gulf. It's not here, it's up here, and that's why we're concerned. That's why we have the tropical storm warning in place. That's why we have the threat of the storm surge flooding in the Citrus, Hernando counties. But even Tampa Bay needs to watch it closely, because times of high tide, we are going to have tides that are going to be several feet above the normally predicted levels. Even Friday, Hermine's up here, but we're still going to have a pretty strong wind flow. So here's a closer view of that storm surge that we expect. In the afternoon, then again just after midnight, the highest times of high tide, 3 to 6 feet for Citrus County, and then perhaps 2 to 3 feet for parts of Tampa Bay. Again, this will change depending on how strong Hermine is able to get, but that's the forecast right now. We'll continue to update you on that as we go through the day today. So out over the Gulf now, we have south winds. They've been 20 knots. They're going to go up to about 40 with seas building 7 to 10 feet. The waters are going to be rough today. The southerly winds will increase. Tropical storm squalls expected. Rain chance very high again today. It's still high tomorrow and even on Saturday. So we don't get back to our more typical weather pattern till Sunday and Monday. But it is a holiday coming up, and a lot of you have asked, are we going to feel the effects on Monday? No, we're going to have sunshine. It'll be hotter, then some scattered thunderstorms around. Here's our pollen forecast, brought to you by famous Tate Appliance and Bedding Centers. Now the latest from Clystron 9.